Hey, what's up, Miku fans? This is MikuFan 3000 here. Welcome to a little short video here. It's because this morning I got a package, and I know it's something I ordered since July, and yeah, I wanted to see what it is, but I had to do work, so I had to wait until I got back home. So yeah. Now, I actually got it here. This little bag here, as you can see, this symbol. I don't know if you can see it, but this here. And then I have this little card here. JupiterCreators.com. It's the link, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see it for the light. Sorry about that. But inside this bag here is something I ordered a long time ago. Shall we see what's inside? Let's do an unboxing. See if we can open it. Yes! Finally, after so long. Inside this little bag, the safety chunks. And, let's see, careful with this. As you can see here, we have Melanie, Axel, and Mr. Monitor with his angry face. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Oh man. Now I feel much safer around the internet. Is there anything else in the bag? Yes, we have this little thing here. I don't know what it's called. And there's more inside. And there's also a cone. As you can see, a cone. And then we have this little card here. Says, shh, she's sleeping. But behind, twist, little child Melanie isn't sleeping. She's secretly on the internet. You can see it here. Can you see it? So yeah, that's the unboxing. I finally managed to get the little chunks. So, that's all I'm gonna say. So, you can still get these here if you're quick enough, because I don't know if they get sold out or not, but I managed to get mine just in time. And it was a little late because of the coronavirus still out there, you know. But now everyone is getting the vaccine, so we should be safe. I hope. But anyway, managed to get these here. I'm very happy. Now I feel much safe. So yeah. That's the unboxing on this video. Thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna find a good place for those to stay. So now I'm gonna wait for my next order. So we'll see what that is in the next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe today to become a MikuFan. And I'll see you next time in my next video. So bye bye Miku fans. Stay tuned for more. And as always, we believe Miku Hatsune sees the best. Stay safe now. Have a good night.